This might be the biggest online opportunity of 2025. No followers, no face, no experience needed. People are making 10 grand, 20 grand and even $30,000 per month from home. One guy made over $5,000 in just 2 weeks starting from scratch. And the best part, you can start even on day one. People like Iman Gadzhi, Conor McGregor, Dean Graziosi, Graziosi, and even Shaquille O'Neal are paying creators just like you. Sounds crazy? Their names are all over WHOP.com, and thousands of creators are getting paid every day. Let me show you how you can be one of them. Have you heard about a platform called WHOP? They call themselves the future of the internet economy. And honestly, I see why. WHOP supports both physical and digital businesses. And just recently, Iman Gadzhi became a co-owner of the company. He is now helping to expand their platform by bringing his entire product ecosystem onto WHOP.com. And here's the crazy part. Users on WHOP.com already made over $1 billion. So why not grab the slice of that pie? In this video, I will show you how to get started and exactly how people are already make $5,000 in just 2 weeks. So what exactly are content rewards? It's simple. You create videos and promote a brand or a creator and they pay you per view. Usually between $1 and $4 for every 1,000 views across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube or Threads. You don't need followers, you don't even need to show your face. You can literally have 0 followers and still make money. All you need to do is understand how the system works. Let's start with the easiest entry point. Clipping. You simply find a brand offering a content reward program on WHOP, download the assets, cut the video into a short clip using a CapCut or any editing application, post it to your own accounts and get paid. Every hour the system checks your views. Hit 1,000 reviews, you get paid instantly. Let me show you exactly how it works. So after you will sign up, you will see this starting page. Go to the Discover, then go down. Here is Content Rewards. Click Show All, and there is different programs from different creators that you can apply. We can choose type clipping, and now just choose whatever you want. As you see, there is even OnlyFans program. So just for example, let's choose this one as Robin. Open WHOP. Here is Content Rewards. Click on it, and from the right side you will see here's requirements, and the reward is $2 per 1,000 views. Minimum payout $1, maximum payout $250. And there is assets. For example, click here and there's a video you can download. Let's go and check the other one, this one, and here's some logo from Robin. The first one, the second one, here it is on the below. This outro looking for clippers that will do a video for such platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Threads and YouTube. When you will create your video, you just click submit, and here's you need to provide your link and upload your media that you did. I would like to show you this one from Paul. There is more interesting because there's a lot of different requirements. The clip must be at least 10 seconds long, must repost clips from the link below only. Here's assets only from this one, must mention Paul American in video and caption, and must include such hashtag as Paul American, Max Partner and so on. So let's go to the assets. Here's 2 folders, for example episode 2, and here's a lot of different videos that you need to use. You need to create clippers only from this one. So it's a short format videos. Let's turn off the audio. They're talking about something. Let's go back. Let it be this one. Also should be short format video. Yes, 20 seconds. So other kind of video, and you can choose one video, a few videos and make a clip for them. Let's go back. The same video you can use and upload to Instagram, TikTok, Threads and YouTube Shorts. Click submit. Here's your link and the video you made. Here's I wanted also to show you some tweet from this guy Chris. I'm only 16 years old. I make money Monday, a drug dealer. How? I post clips on social media. So this guy already made $18,000 and he's only 16 years old. And I want to show you some examples. To do this, just click again Discover, go here to the Content Rewards, click show all, and now click submissions. And here you can see the name of the author and how much money they made from this particular video. From this video he made already $3,500. From this video $3,500. From this video $3,500, and so on. So let's go further. A different type of different videos. Check this one. Check this one. 19 seconds. 28 seconds. This one, $1,000, here's $1,000, $1,000, and so on. You only need basic editing skills. Cut the video, add music, and use captions. Applications like CapCut make it super easy, even from your phone. You can use auto captions and be done in minutes. The best creators remove anything boring and keep it 7 till 15 seconds maximum. Now, if you're ready for the next level, here's strategy number 2: UGC Content Rewards. UGC stands for User Generated Content. This means you're creating original content for brands. You still don't need to show your face. AI and voiceovers are totally okay, but not for all programs. Check the requirements. Let's say a popular food chain posts a campaign. You can go eat there, record your reaction, and get paid for a view. Brands love this model because they pay only for actual results. It's way more affordable than hiring overpriced influencers. Make 1 million views, that's around $3,000 in your pocket. The third strategy: build a content agency. Here's how it works. You gather a small team of clippers, reach out to brands, offer to manage their content rewards campaign directly on WHOP. Most brands don't even understand how this works yet, but they have marketing budgets ready to spend. Agencies typically charge a flat monthly fee like $3,000 plus from 5 till 15% of total budget. If a brand spends $100,000 a month on ads, you make 15 grand just from managing. And guess what? They spend less than they do on traditional ads. Average cost for Facebook CPM is around $10, but with content rewards it's just from $1 to $3, and it's organic traffic. This is a blue ocean right now. Agencies aren't offering this yet, which is your opportunity to get in first. This market is just getting started. Whether you will choose clipping, creating for UGC, or build an agency, there's room for you. Go to WHOP.com, click explore, and see what's live right now. Don't wait, the best opportunities disappear fast. And hey, when you hit your first 5 grand, don't forget to say thanks for me. See you next time. Bye.